Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is covalent bond and its types. Student learning outcomes. Students will be able to understand covalent bond, types of covalent bond, example of covalent bond. Learning resources, lecture method, multimedia and PowerPoint. Definition: the type of bond which is formed due to mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. ऐसा बॉन्ड जिसमें एटम्स एक दूसरे के साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शेयरिंग करें, उसके नतीजे में बनने वाला बॉन्ड covalent bond कहलाता है. There are three types of covalent bond, which are single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Number 1. Single covalent bond. The type of bond which is formed due to sharing of one electron between two atoms. It is called single covalent bond. The molecule of hydrogen, molecule of HCl and molecule of water shows the example of single covalent bond. In all these examples, each atom share one electron with other atom. ऐसा बॉन्ड जिसमें एटम एक दूसरे के साथ एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का इश्तराक करें, उसके नतीजे में बनने वाला बॉन्ड सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड कहलाता है. नंबर 2. डबल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. द टाइप ऑफ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड विच इज फॉर्म ड्यू टू शेयरिंग ऑफ two electrons between atoms, then double covalent bond is formed. As the example of these atoms are or molecules are given below, like molecule of oxygen, molecule of ethene and molecule of carbon dioxide. ऐसा बॉन्ड जिसमें एटम एक दूसरे के साथ दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शेयर करें, इसके नतीजे में बनने वाला बॉन्ड डबल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड कहलाता है. जैसा कि स्ट्रक्चर में इथीन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ऑक्सीजन दिखाए गए हैं. इथीन में दोनों कार्बन एक दूसरे के साथ दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शेयर कर रहे हैं. इन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इथीन, ईच कार्बन कंट्रीब्यूट टू इलेक्ट्रॉन विद अदर कार्बन एटम. In structure of carbon dioxide, each carbon contribute or share two electron with other oxygen atom. In triple covalent bond, each atom contribute or share three electrons with other atom. So triple covalent bond is formed. Example like molecule of nitrogen, molecule of ethene and molecule of cyanide. In all these molecules, atoms contribute three electrons with other atoms, and triple covalent bond is represented by putting a triple line between atoms. Like the structure of nitrogen, structure of cyanide and structure of ethine are given below. These are the example of triple covalent bond. So these are the definition and explanation of covalent bond. I hope you would like and enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.